I'm warning you now, this is gonna be a very chit-chatty video, so if you don't like those type of videos, move on to one of my next ones. Here I am making a video for you talking about what's coming on my channel. So I'm very excited because there's a lot of positive things happening in my life that is the reason why I'm sharing these specific videos with you. But if I don't tell you what's going on in my life, for you it's gonna be like, what is all this? So I need to bring you guys back a little bit. I started this channel as a makeup channel. You guys know this if you know me. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Lana Reese. I'm a makeup artist for television industry, but that's not all that I'm into because I like other things, which is why I'm here right now making this video. Now let's get forward to 2019 when I started doing my new year, new me vlogs. I started to hit a mental low in 2019, the beginning, the end of 2018. I was not feeling good. I was very depressed and I had a lot of anxiety and I had a lot of mood swings, a lot of aggression, and it was bad news bears in my world. So I decided to make the change and try to do some changes in my life that make the changes in my, really, I'm gonna try not to repeat myself over and over again. I try to do things to improve my life because I didn't want to get on medicine. I haven't seen a therapist, just mainly because it's like, that's a lot of money every week to see someone. You know what I mean? Like, listen, I can talk to my stuffed animal or Mason who's sleeping back there just fine. So I was trying to figure out what I can do at home in order to change my mood swings. So all throughout 2019, I decluttered my life, cleaned up, yeah. I was making these vlogs for you guys because I wanted to track, and I make the vlogs that I make for this channel as my own personal diary. So like, this channel is more than just like a makeup channel for me anymore. It just became my video log so that when I'm older, I can look back at these videos and going, that's the point. That's a turning point, you know? So fine. Cut to the end of 2019 where I started feeling bad again, and I figured, okay, let me do some productivity trackers in my bullet journal. Let me track my moods to see like how I'm doing and why maybe there's something going on within the month that's causing these like mood swings. Still haven't figured that out, but it was really good to track my habits and whatnot. So fine. It wasn't until this year when I started making eco-friendly decisions in my life, started living a little bit more sustainably and getting rid of extra clutter, that I realized, like in this month, for example, I really started feeling more of a clarity, and I started feeling like, I'm feeling better. And I don't know what it is. I don't know the science behind it, and I don't want to make any claims, but I have a theory as to why I'm possibly feeling better. But again, this is not backed by any sort of anything. This is just an assumption that I have. So in this year, just before the pandemic hit, I decided that I was gonna go sustainable. I was gonna try to be more sustainable in my shopping choices. I'm now buying products that I'm buying from a bulk store. And I've been using cleaner stuff that I feel like it's making an impact on how I feel. I haven't been depressed in months. And I have a theory that it's because I quit using all of the toxins in my home, and because I went eco-friendly. And now I buy things that have cleaner ingredients. There are still things that I buy that are not perfect. I mean, clearly I still use a lot of makeup and skincare and stuff that are not good for you. But there are a lot of things that I did cut out, and my mood has completely shifted. Like, I still get a little anxiety and stuff now and then, but I feel good and I'm feeling a little better and I like it. And so because of all of this, the content on my YouTube channel is shifting. Yes, I will make makeup videos in the future, but to be honest, the makeup videos that I make nowadays revolve around pro makeup artistry. You know, I'm not going to review the latest mascara. You know, to be honest, I'm not going to push consumerism on people when it comes to things like that. I will push products that help the planet or help you. That's my MO now. Like, that is just maybe because I feel better. I do have some videos coming up that are very much affiliate videos, but there are things that I fully support 100%, like plain products, which I will get into, will probably be the next video. And then I'm also partnered up with Earth Hero. I'll have my affiliate links in the bottom description box, but there are websites like that offer amazing sustainable options. I'm making more sustainable videos, and I also want to make these videos because I feel like there needs to be more of inclusivity when it comes to being sustainable. So there are a lot of videos that I've seen on YouTube, which now I feel like a lot of the top hitters in sustainability are being very conscious of that and are being very like, hey, listen, this is not cool to be this way. But a lot of people are very harsh and quick to judge, like, you can't be sustainable if you do XYZ. Like, technically, I can't be sustainable because I have lights on in the background. Do you know what I mean? I'm using energy for your video. Like, but it's so wrong to make people feel like you either have to be 100% perfect or not at all. And I want to be that safe space for people to go, okay, no, I do this, this, and this, but the efforts that I am making are making a difference. And they do. So that's why I'm making videos now, kind of about decluttering your life and living with a little bit less, but not so much minimalism, just living with things that actually have value to you, that you care about taking care of. And then also things that take care of the planet. So I'm making this video as a lead up to all of this. I want you guys to understand that going eco-friendly, at least being a little bit more eco-conscious, makes a difference. That one grocery bag that you may bring to the store instead of taking a plastic one does make an impact. It does make a difference. Where I stand on the eco-conscious platform is that I don't think that zero waste should fall on the shoulders of the consumer. It goes up to the big corporations who are in charge of marketing and distribution. Like, they have a social, economical responsibility to clean up the waste and clean up how they produce their items. But that is a whole nother issue that goes well beyond what I know. But I don't want anyone who's just at least semi-curious about trying to go eco-friendly in the very slightest to get discouraged because some jerk off on the internet was like, sorry, it's all or nothing. Do you know what I mean? So it's not. We don't need people being perfect. We just need as much as we can get. So with all that being said, I'm going to have my Plain Products and Earth Hero affiliate link in the description box below, because those are two companies that I do fully support. I will be making videos about them, and they're coming. And I also have a coffee link in my description box. I've been promoting my coffee for a little bit because it's like my tips of giving you tips on how to live and love your life, because I haven't been working during this pandemic, and this is how I make my money as a content creator. So yes, things are changing, and I couldn't be happier. I just felt like my channel for the longest time, for years, to be honest with you, was just sort of detached, and I was just trying to find my way. And I feel like now I found it. It took me a couple years to get here, but damn it, here I am, and I'm so happy. And I get the frustration with so many of you who originally subscribed to my channel hoping for more makeup videos. I get it, because this is not what you probably signed up for. But there's more to life than just makeup, you guys. And there's more to me than just makeup. And now that I've found what I feel like I should be doing, I'm not gonna suppress that because people want to see more makeup videos. I get your DMs. I do. I receive them. I see it. I see you. But I feel like there's more to life than just what the next concealer is gonna be. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and stay tuned because videos are coming, and I just can't be more excited about them. Bye, everybody.